Hey guys, so I got this Egurukul Notes 2.0 from DBMCI. So from outside it's looking pretty good, nicely made, and so they're basically made on the Egurukul lectures, and they assure it contains 90 to 95% of the content. So when you open the notes for the first time, you can see they highlighted all the important points and they use different colors to highlight different points. So if you want to revise, you can just go through these points also. And another thing they did is they exam tagged some points, like here you can see backpack and it came in neat PG. And if you see the image quality, so the image quality is pretty good. You can easily distinguish ki kya hai. Okay, and the best thing that I like is this active spaces and the font size. So if you want to add something from book, you can just write it here, no need to add extra paper or anything. And the another thing is all the topics are timestamped, so if you're using with Egurukul lectures, you can directly browse or you can easily go through the notes. And they also added questions at the end of every chapter, as you can see here. So I think that's all. So if you're a person like me who doesn't like to make their own notes, then you can obviously go for this. If you want to buy, I will put the link in the bio. You can check it from there. And now the time for big surprise. So we are giving away all the notes, all 19 subject notes. The rules are pretty basic. All will show up on the screen. And so share, participate and enjoy. And another thing is this giveaway is only restricted to India because we can't post outside India. So participate, enjoy, all the best, take care, goodbye.